What is up, guys? Jason from zAutomotive, and today we're gonna do a quick little unboxing. So I've already took it out of the shipping packaging, but I did order some things that I should have ordered a long time ago. If any of you follow my Instagram, or I think I posted it on YouTube as well, but I've been having some issues with my buttons on my steering wheel not working. Turns out it wasn't the clock spring, so I don't know. I'm still kind of at a loss. I mean, it could be from trying to get performance pages with that app, but anyway, so I did order something that I should have got a long time ago, and that is from zAutomotive. Yeah. So I did go ahead and purchase the Tazer. Funny part is this box is a paperweight right at the moment because my buttons don't work. So in order to utilize the Tazer, you have to use the arrows and the cancel button, right? So got it today, can't use it. I did make an appointment with the Dodge dealer just so they could diagnose the problem. I tore my dash apart yesterday, tracing down wires and stuff, and it was a no-go. I didn't see any wires that were bad or anything, so I don't know. It could be just I might just need to get my PC on flash or something. But anyway, so the Tazer actually comes in a nice foamy packaging inside the box. And that's it. Tazer. We all know what they look like. I mean, this is not something that's new. There's been unboxings and people doing reviews on them and stuff before, but you know, I think, like I said, I'm going to do videos that are related to my car. So right now, this is a paperweight. Let's just hold down this foam. I also ordered the bypass kit. Now, this is not required for 2017 Chargers. It is required for 18 and up, but I just, because I have a little Bluetooth one that I have plugged up just to like, I can see, you know, different stuff right from my phone. I use Torque for that one. I use that sometimes. I don't leave it plugged in or anything, but this one is very tall. You know, so if you plug that in, good chance I'd kick it, and I don't want to break it. So this lets it go in the trunk, which will make it very easy to not bother. So comes with the bypass there, and I think this fuse is for it as well. Yeah. Okay. And then the other thing I ordered, this is my aux cable to do updates, which I guess I'm going to have to install virtual machine on my Mac and run Windows because it has to have Windows. So it's kind of a bummer, but whatever. So that's cable. And then the other thing I ordered was the buttons to do the aux buttons. So that's it, guys. My phone's ringing somewhere upstairs to see who it is. But yeah, I'll do it install, review, that kind of good stuff. I mean, install, we all know how to do, so but I'll do it anyway in case anybody was considering buying one. But you guys have a great day.